Starting a new job in a traditional IT environment often involves significant dead time. An employee might spend their entire first week submitting manual tickets and waiting for human administrators to approve access to basic tools like email. That same lack of coordination becomes a liability when an employee leaves. Because permissions are granted across dozens of disconnected applications, administrators often fail to revoke every single point of entry. Relying on manual checklists to manage these accounts creates a compounding problem. Over time, the organization accumulates a massive inventory of active credentials that no one is using, driving up administrative costs. This administrative delay is a structural security gap. While a new hire is blocked, forgotten accounts from former employees remain active, providing a quiet entry point for attackers. The solution lies in Workforce Identity and Access Management, or WIAM. As this document shows, WIAM manages the internal workforce, distinct from CIAM. The goal is to ensure the right people have the right access to the right resources. This works via identity governance, access management, and privileged access management. These three layers operating in unison move an organization away from reactive troubleshooting and toward a model of automated, predictable security. On day one, the system takes over. Instead of waiting for manual approvals, the network uses predefined logic to instantly create every account a new hire needs based on their specific role and department. For the employee, the daily experience is seamless. They use single sign-on to move between cloud apps and mobile tools, using one set of credentials to access the entire workspace without constant reauthentication. The backend remains rigorous. Logins require multi-factor authentication to guarantee legitimate users. Beyond login, adaptive policies continuously analyze location, device health, and behavior. If a high-risk location or unmanaged device is detected, the system instantly blocks the connection or demands further proof. This constant background analysis allows the organization to provide a low-friction experience for the employee without ever lowering its defensive standards. As an employee moves through different roles over several years, they often accumulate unnecessary permissions, a vulnerability known as privilege creep. These excessive rights often go unnoticed until they are misused. To solve this, WIAM utilizes access certifications and audits. This process requires managers to periodically review and validate that every permission held by an employee is still required for their current job. The most critical moment in this lifecycle is the employee's final day. In a manual system, this is where most orphaned accounts are created, as administrators struggle to close every open door. WIAM automates this. The moment the employee is offboarded in HR, the system revokes their digital access across the enterprise simultaneously. This automated shutdown ensures that no neglected credentials are left behind for an attacker to find. Managing identity is not a one-time event. It is an active lifecycle that must be maintained from the first hour of employment to the very last. Automating this lifecycle delivers two primary results. It eliminates the high cost of manual IT labor and drastically reduces the number of credentials exposed to the public internet. It also creates a definitive record of activity. The system generates an auditable trail showing exactly who accessed which resource, when they did it, and where they were connecting from. That visibility is a legal requirement. This document lists frameworks like TDKR, HIPAA, and SOX that mandate auditable access control. These features lead to zero trust enablement. Never automatically trust a connection, continuously verify users, and enforce minimum privilege. This system makes the digital identity the primary anchor of modern network defense. It replaces the old idea of a secure office perimeter with a model where security lives within the identity of the user themselves.